From gardening, animal therapy, to group art classes, Core Healthcare's long-term care program is designed to nurture residents.
My goal for the residents is for them to be able to be happy and, reach their highest potential, help them fulfill a dream if they have a dream.
Dawn, who suffered a brain injury as a child, is one of many success stories here. Years ago, she would not have been able to participate in activities like gardening or even interact with peers.
Dawn has been here almost 6 years, and when she first came, needed a lot of one-to-one care because of her impulsive behaviors. And to now where she has maybe an hour total a day of staff attention, she's able to be that independent.
Tom has been living at Core Healthcare for almost 20 years. His sister remembers the day she brought him to Core.
Leaving him for the first time, with my mom and I leaving him for the first time, is one of the hardest things I ever did. But at the same time, it's been just an incredibly good decision. He is so happy here and just doing so much better. At home, he was really by himself a lot, except for my family, and not getting to experience relationships, not getting out in the world. So he's just had a really good experience here.
We promote partnerships with families to help determine the best possible approach for each resident. We know that each person's situation is complex and requires multi-level solutions.
We individualize their programs, which may be for someone who has a lot of anxiety, teaching them how to cope with their anxiety, teaching them calming techniques. One gentleman that we had here didn't come out of his room literally for an entire year that he was here, and now he's someone that goes into the community, goes to groups, and it was small steps to get him there, a lot of encouragement, teaching him how to really minimize his anxiety.
Activities here are designed to be novel and improve physical and neurochemical functioning. Activities are based on the science of neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to change, giving hope to families and residents with brain injuries, psychiatric disorders, and developmental disabilities. Residents' progress is tracked and measured with electronic medical records. But for family members like Tom's sister, she measures progress with each visit.
Here's Bucky Jackson. Here.
He's a more happy, content person. He's not nearly as anxious as he's been all our life.
Keeping it real. That's what I heard.
Core provides a structured, safe environment. Our staff is trained to treat behavioral emotional outbursts. With this structure, residents are able to not only enjoy on-site activities, but also engage in the community.
We have residents that volunteer at the library here in town, the dog daycare in Dripping Springs, the thrift store. There was a resident who also worked delivering Meals on Wheels in Austin twice a week for over 20 years.
Go out to eat, go out to the movies, go swimming, go shopping, just anything that we can do as a group.
Sam's, Barnes & Noble.
What do you
Borders.
do at Sam's with Jackie?
Shop. Help out carrying stuff.
I just couldn't be happier because God put me in a safe place. I get medicine when I'm sick. I go to the doctor if I'm hurt. I have staff that check on me at night and during the day during my nap to make sure if I'm okay breathing and everything.
It's a family, and the staff is kind of the extended family of the residents.